In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily rename a group text messages conversation on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app. I got a group conversation here, so first off we need to enter group text messages conversation. As you can see, now it is located that bubbles or circles with the profile pictures of the participant of that group conversation. And all we have to do is just tap right here and then tap at change name and photo. On the next step, we'll be able to set a name for that group conversation, and also in here we'll be able to select kind of profile picture or avatar for that conversation. We can select one from the suggested and then assign it to group, and also we are able to select some emoji in that way. Also we are able to select a photo from our camera roll. So we can first off take a photo not from camera roll but using our camera of our device. And also if we tap right here, we'll be able to select a photo from our camera roll. Once it is done and you are ready to save it, just tap at done. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.